Hello, in this video we are going to talk a little about processor registers. So let's sort of backtrack a little bit. What is a register? A register is a low registers. And the three main registers are general registers, control registers, and segment registers. And I'll be covering all of the different types of registers in separate videos. And the general registers can actually be split into the data registers, the pointer, the pointer registers, and the index registers. And like I said, I'm going to be covering all of these to seeing you in the next video.